first thing that I was not able to lose weight no matter what. I reduced carbs. I started crash diets. I started cutting out carbs, but nothing led to weight loss. That I have got insulin resistance as well. Like used to treat the root cause, not just reduce the diet. Like apart from that blood work that we do, there are so many deeper aspects. You have that FLR report which deep dives and tells us, okay, agar normal range में भी है, that is not normal. I see a very big change. My fat has gone down. My weight has come down. I am more active. I am more energetic throughout the day. My bloating and gas problems are have come down a lot. It is more of a lifestyle change for me rather than only losing weight.
Yeah.
So I would like to tell all your viewers, ki please have at least go and talk to her. You will learn a lot of things which you didn't knew existed.
Hi, Vijay Lakshmi. Thank you for coming in for my podcast. And I would love to share your journey with my audience today. So please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. My age is around 31. I am a software engineer. I work as a data engineer in Maersk, that is a logistics company, and I'm basically from Calcutta.
Okay, so Vijay, when you actually joined me, before
Yeah.
that, okay, we will talk about before first. So, what were your medical conditions that you were suffering with, and can you please explain in detail about that to us?
So the first thing that I faced, which made me look for a nutritionist, was I couldn't lose my weight. So that is holistically, or I would say on a overall level, that was the major problem that I was facing. I started crash diets. I started cutting out carbs, whatever. That is the normal notion people have. Ki do this, do that. So I tried all the things, but nothing led to weight loss. So that made me analyze and wonder, like, what is wrong. Similarly, at the same time, I had got my blood tests also done, and there I had seen that I have fatty liver grade 1 because my SGPT and SGOT values were quite elevated. Because just I had got married in 2021, and just post marriage, I had gained a lot of weight, like around 10 kilos. I had gained because of eating outside and everything. Apart from that, I had also somehow like deduced that I have got insulin resistance as well. So I didn't know how to cure it or what caused it, but I have genetic diabetes issue in my family. Then also bloating and normal the health issues which more or less every person faces, but we always brush it under the table saying it is gas, and we try and take gas medications or antacids and all that.
But you were not able to lose weight, is what was your struggle,
Yeah,
right?
that was the first thing that I was not able to lose weight no matter what. I reduced carbs, like whatever we have. Normal Indian families, we have chapati and rice for lunch and dinner. Initially, I reduced it, replaced it with oats and all that. Then I replaced it completely and just had salads. I had tried a lot of combinations, but nothing majorly helped my weight loss. Maybe the effort I was putting, that was 100, and the result I was seeing was just 1. So that was a huge disparity between my efforts and the result I was getting.
You just now said to us that, all your medical problems were there and you tried a lot of things, but did you speak to any nutritionist or any doctor in particular, or did you get any kind of a blood work?
Yes, not
What was
blood work exactly. I had done because I am in IT, so every year we get a blood test, blood work done from our company side. So that is what actually brought out that I had very high and elevated SGOT, SGPT values.
So, but there are so many nutritionists on Instagram.
Yeah.
Then why did you choose me only? What was so different?
So for like your reels, I found it to be more scientific. Like, okay, this like used to treat the root cause, not just reduce the diet. Like the very last, I'm not demeaning anybody here, but the last dietitian I had consulted, she did not ask for my blood work. She did not ask. She just gave me a diet. Okay, this you have this less, this less. She also has a lot of successful patients, and I am no way demeaning her work. But somehow I found your approach to be scientific. That weight loss should be the outcome, it should not be the goal.
And exactly, that's what we never focused on, weight loss for you. We never focused on that. Our primary
Yes.
goal was like, fixing other aspects so that you just lose weight on your own. That was
Yes.
always our focus. So when you joined the pre-consultation, what was your experience in that with me?
It was really a very what was eye-opening experience, because I never knew, apart from that blood work that we do, there are so many deeper aspects. Like we always get a thyroid report done, but you have that FLR report which deep dives and tells us, okay, agar normal range mein bhi hai, that is not normal.
Like I want to tell people here is that when we did the FLR, her thyroid was on the higher side, and which was one of the major reasons that her metabolism was so slow. Like, she was not focusing on that at all, because none of the doctors actually put her on even medications. They were not even allowing her to to start with the medications for that. But then she later, started with that. So that was the analysis that we did, and we could connect the dots that what exactly is going on for her, why she's not losing weight. So tell me about the experience of the program that you joined with me. Like, explain about your meal plans. Were it like the way you said, like, it was very less quantity to eat, you were feeling hungry before when you joined somebody. How was your experience about that? And also about the details of the supplementation and the importance of the supplementations that we do, because not everybody can just randomly take supplements. You have to take it in the right way. Right?
The best thing about for which this is my second consultation, like second, what to say, series with,
Rejoin the
yeah,
program with me.
he
Yeah.
joined the program. Thank you for putting it. So the reason I did it because you gave me so many, number one is so many meal variety in each meal, like for breakfast, so many variety. And then you never compromised on the quantity, like एक spoon khana hai, you cannot eat more. So there were, like, I had breakfast, I had mid snack between lunch and breakfast, then lunch, then evening snack, then dinner. So इतना खाने का ऑप्शन, मतलब खाना का इंटरवल्स होगा तो you cannot feel hungry.
Yeah.
My major problem was I used to feel very hungry because I had a very high appetite, very low metabolism. So that was correctly given by Shikha that every meal had variety of options. There were a lot of meal timings, like breakfast ke liye ek, mid breakfast, then lunch. So I used to always feel hungry. My stomach is okay because if I am hungry, I used to get very irritated. I used to get very hungry. फिर hungry होना तो I used to eat something or the other. Secondly, there were a lot of options. And thirdly, the options that you gave me were easily, like I could cook them easily because though I'm working from home, I have a very hectic schedule. I don't get much time to cook and prep my meals.
Yeah.
And I don't give my like my meals are also not cooked by the help I have at home. I cook them myself.
Yeah.
So for that, I needed options which I could maybe prep and keep, and just before having, I could just simply stir it up and have it.
What changes did you see after you did all these things, these meal plans and the supplementation, the workout and everything? So what?
The most important thing that I learned from this program, I wouldn't say health, anything, is I told this to you as well, is the way of life. Like what you should do. I was a late sleeper. Like I used to wake up very late. I used to wake up at 8:30. I used to be a night owl. I used to go to sleep at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. This, so the entire lifestyle pattern changed. So I now wake up at 6:30. I can better plan my day. I can better manage things. Then there are some things that Shikha told me how to follow. So those things help me to plan my life a lot better. Health, तो हाँ ठीक है. I'll come to that. But this is the biggest takeaway for me. Ki how to plan. I used to get lot of anxiety. ये काम बाकी है, वो काम बाकी है. So following things that you told me. So that, so health wise, I did my blood report. So that also is quite good. Everything is in range except the thyroid, which will come in range because I just started the medication. That too, I would say here the doctor was not giving me meds even with little elevated thyroid. But Shikha, I listening to Shikha, I told the doctor, no, up medicines though, I need the medicines. Then that is also bringing a lot of change in my health. So health wise, I'm very good. I still have 3 kilos to go, and I'm sure I'll achieve that as well.
What was your before and after weight? Please tell us.
So before it was 64, something like that, 63, 64. Currently, I am at 57.95. So I have touched, Shikha, this is for you. I have touched the 57 mark as well.
Super. Very good. Very good. But you had gone on a vacation.
Bali as well.
Yes,
I
you
have
went
gone
to
to
Bali.
Bali. I
So tell
ate
me,
to my heart's
yes, did you
content for
gain weight? What was the situation like after you came back?
So, like initially, what used to happen is when I used to eat outside for even like 2, 3 days on the weekends, also, my entire week used to go to bring down that 2, 3 kilos that I had gained. But surprisingly, when I came back from Bali, maybe because after the first time I had enrolled in your course, the metabolism improved. So within 2 to 3 days, I got back to the weight where I was when I went to Bali.
Yeah.
Even after I will tell,
How much did you gain weight when you were in Bali?
I gained around 3 kilos. Three kilos. I when I went, I was 58. I came back with 61, and within
Huh.
2 3 days, it was back to 58 point.
Because of the water retention.
Yeah, so I was actually amazed because I ate everything in Bali. Because Shikha only told me that cortisol is important, so you go and enjoy. Just follow the pattern how you are eating. Like even if you have carbs, you follow a particular pattern of eating, and with that, I ate everything from pizzas to noodles to rice, everything that you can eat on a holiday,
Yeah.
desserts, everything. I didn't follow her plan, and she also told me to enjoy. You don't like have a good time in Bali, so I had everything, and I didn't like think that it'll come down so fast.
Yeah, it's because also we are taking the right dose of supplements, your diet, and also your medication is supporting your thyroid, which is very,
Right,
very
right.
important. What do you want to tell all the viewers who are watching this about your health condition, maybe some takeaways from your health journey?
After enrolling in this program, you won't believe I now like eating healthy food. I get healthier alternatives of what I used to have in an unhealthy form. It is more of a lifestyle change for me rather than only losing weight.
Yeah.
So I would like to tell all your viewers, please have at least go and talk to her. You will learn a lot of things which you didn't knew existed, which you didn't know you could do. I never thought I could wake up at 6:30, but now I believe I can lead a healthy life. I can have a toned figure. I can have a toned body. So all thanks to you, and I would tell all your subscriber, all those who are listening to your videos, that please at least talk to her once. I'm sure you will feel a lot of things will change for you.
Thank you so much, Vijay. It was lovely having you. And I'm sure all the ones who are listening to her story feel that motivation. And there is a hope for you all to be able to recover from any of the medical issues that you are going through. If you find the right professional person, if you find the right doctors, if you work as a team in totality and have that trust in whoever you are working with, it's not about me, whoever you are working with, I'm sure things will definitely work out for you. So thank you so much, Vijay Lakshmi,
Thank
for
you so
doing
much.
this for me. It was lovely, lovely having you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.
You too.